This is a JCMASTER product. Now we are showing you how to use the product. This is the handle. This is the main machine. And this is a place to put the handle. This is a foot pedal. And those are beads, and it is a gift we send to customer. Now let's start. And there's two character on the handle. When you turn to the right R direction, you could move out the bead. Then you pick a bead, you lead into the hand and move to the S direction. You could lock the bead, and now you could start to use it. This is a switch button, and it is a hand mode, off mode, and then the foot pedal mode. Now we switch to the hand mode. And this is a button to change speed from the low to high speed to max. Now it is the highest to low, to minimum speed. Now we switch to foot pedal mode. Still, you first need to set the speed. Then you press on the foot pedal. Then handle will move on. Use the foot pedal will make you release your hands. And this is a button to change the direction. Now it is the reverse direction. And the up is the forward direction. Now we switch to forward direction. And we press on the foot pedal. The drill will move on. And now we switch to the max speed.